It's Saturday morning and I'm super excited because I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed today. It's something I've been wanting to do for quite a while, just kind of been hesitant to do it, and I finally decided, what the heck, let me just pull the trigger and get my eyebrows done. So I cannot wait to take you in with me to show you exactly what she's gonna do and how she does it. So hope you come on in.
So first we're going to start by cleaning off your skin, and we'll apply numbing cream. And while that's setting in, I'll be choosing a color that will match good for your eyebrows. And then after that, we will manually draw out your brows, and then we'll get started.
Just testing out some colors for what color I'll use for my eyebrows. This is like the lightest color option, and this is a mix of one shade darker with this color. And I think we're gonna go with this one that's a little darker just because it will end up fading lighter in the end.
Versus shading. That first one we like the more natural look. That had more of an arch and a defined tail. Whereas that one where you like the shape was a little bit like a thicker throughout, and the tail didn't appear as long.
The brows are obviously clearly a lot fuller than mine.
Yeah.
And so that was kind of obviously important to me.
Yeah.
So typically, how many hair strokes are you actually like putting in? I'm just, obviously I know for everyone it's gonna be totally different, but
Probably 100 is more of a good.
yeah.
That's what we do. Actually, probably count now. Okay.
So you're actually starting? Oh, that's crazy.
You feel it?
No, so thank you for the numbing
Good,
cream.
yeah.
I mean, I feel it a little bit. Like I feel you're like making like I don't know what to call, like making marks. I guess is literally all it feels like.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel that you're going over my skin, but like it definitely isn't. No.
So after the open skin, then the numbing cream is like this. I use a different numbing cream, more effective for open skin. That's why to open it a little bit first.
Yeah, these last ones I felt a little bit more, but again, it was okay. Yeah, like
a little bit. So
Because there's the tiniest little cuts.
yeah, so it shouldn't be a lot. Definitely not to like catch it, but it does at least a little bit. So then. Everyone is different, of course, but
So once you wipe everything off, how do you remember or see where to go? Yeah.
so that's what the very first one I do is like an outline. So it's so like outlines exactly where I'm gonna go, and then after I wipe off what we drew, then I'm going off the outline.
Oh, got it. So the first strokes are going to be the outline.
Yeah, and it's not like a solid outline; they're like hair strokes.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, like one thing I was thinking about is like, they're literally handmade cuts where there's hair follicles, like, does the like, does it destroy hair follicles that you already have?
So
Or is it
some,
because it's not deep enough? Or-
yeah, it doesn't destroy the hair follicles, but it, like sometimes, a little hair will come out, and then it'll go over. Little tiny, like, did you see? Here, so look at this. That's what it is, like a stacking needle. So sometimes it'll go over a hair stroke, and it'll go over a hair, and it'll kind of like cut the hair a little bit. Not enough that to where it
Right.
But yeah, not too much. It shouldn't be going too much. If you were to get it done maybe once a month, start to get scarring, but by the time the tissue's healing, if you're touched again, you really aren't scar tissue buildup.
like you can't tell where
Yeah, it's
hair.
you can only tell when you're just like pushing
Yeah.
your hair down out of the way. And so it's not that we're done. I'll still have you like sit up, and
Yeah.
make sure everything's even. But this is how it looks.
Wow.
So the color looks good now.
Uh-huh.
I mean,
And
it's
it's
hard to imagine, but we might even want this
Yeah.
setting because it will lighten up a little bit. And I think if it lines up to this, would be good.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
That this is kind of like where we want to end.
Yeah, because this would be like what I would do with my makeup.
Right. So we will probably want to go just a little bit darker so that way it
Okay.
makes sense. What do you think about shading? You want to keep it like this for now? And then, so honestly, so it's hard to see. I'm not sure if you can see in between like the hair strokes.
Okay.
I think actually you might want to just wait to do shading until next time. Some of that
At this
pigment-
point, like a million times better than my eyebrows. Just a couple hours after getting microbladed, no makeup on still. I'm gonna put some makeup on here in a second and I will pop back just so you can see like the difference, since obviously the eyebrows look very dark right now. Very full though, which I'm loving, and like I said, I'm so obsessed with them. I love the shape. I feel like they really are flattering to my face. Again, no makeup, so my face looks terrible. I can't believe I'm even gonna show you guys this. I can't believe I'm gonna put this on the internet for other people to see. It's a bit scary. Okay, so it is day 2 and whew, holy moly, these brows are dark. I know they said that they were gonna get darker, but they're dark. I've got no makeup on. I just washed my face, washed my brows, or just kind of like gently rub them just to clean them off, and then apply the ointment. But yeah, they're dark. Hey y'all, it is day 3 and these beauties are starting to lighten up. Again, no makeup. I think that's just gonna be a trend for this week. So I'm sorry. You get to look at my fresh face and you can see that I definitely have some redness right now, some shininess. It is what it is. But I did want to say that my eyebrows are starting to lighten up. They're getting a little bit itchy. Not too bad though, thankfully, but they're starting to look more and more normal, and I love them. I know I already said that day 1 and day 2 I'm obsessed. I'm like seriously obsessed. Like, this is so great. Like, I'm so happy I did this. It is day 4 that my brows are lightening up. They're looking awesome. I feel like they're like the color that they normally are when I put like makeup in them. So that's good. So I've lightened up, which is nice. And again, no makeup on the face. I just wash my face, wash my eyebrows, doing the like light circular motion like they say to. I'm like literally following the instruction to a T because I do not want anything bad to happen to these eyebrows. I am like so obsessed. I want to see them every day. And now I'm more obsessed than I was before because the coloring looks more normal. Like I can get away with walking out of the house with no makeup and my brows are not gonna look like screaming in my face like, hello, I've got makeup on my eyebrows and nowhere else. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I woke up this morning at like 3:30. I was actually like scratching this brow. Yeah, I obviously subconsciously, I guess I did. I didn't mean to. But clearly in the middle of the night, I like felt it itch or something and I scratched it and I woke up at 3:30 scratching the brow and I freaked out. So thankfully it doesn't look screwed up. I'm gonna watch it because I know it says like do not scratch the brows while they're healing and I definitely did in my sleep. So hopefully I don't do this more often and just not know about it or just like not scratch hard enough to wake myself up. This is it, day 4. I will be back at you tomorrow with an update. It's day 5 today and I'm coming at you in the evening versus the morning just because it was a really busy day. But these are the brows. They're doing good. Just super itchy, like really itchy. I haven't scratched today and I did not wake up this morning itching my eyebrows, so that's some good progress. But when they do start to really itch, I've just been kind of like rubbing right above my eyebrow on my forehead or even kind of right below, and that's been helping a bit. There you have it. Day 5 brows. So I totally forgot to post a video yesterday. It was just a really busy day running around getting errands done, ready for tonight. It's his Fire Academy graduation. So super excited about that. Also excited that my eyebrows are looking good for this event. It is, I guess, day 7. Definitely been having some peeling. So luckily they're still in pretty good shape and with the cream on right now, but this evening I'm probably going to try and do very minimal ointment just because I want my brows to look as normal as possible. But yeah, no makeup. I'll be putting makeup on later today, obviously, because I'm super excited. Want to support him, and obviously don't want to scare everybody. Yeah, there you have it. Day 7 are looking good. They're not as itchy as they were yesterday or the day before, so that's a plus.